Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing a comic, a little one, of My Hero Academia. Come follow me on My Hero Academia. Amendment, I don't know how to say it. It'll show up right now, right there, in the blue. But if you know how to say it, please tell me. I'm gonna look for the comic right now. Oh, there it is. I'm gonna be trying my best to do all these characters' voices. Here they are right now. And let's get into it. Oh, Aka, you should calm down. But he made Deku cry. Deku always cries. No, I don't. I see you die. Ugh. Yeah, right. So I didn't make this comic, of course. Somebody else did. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. It's probably gonna sound weird when I do it, when it comes onto the video, because that's what videos do. But I hope you guys liked it, and bye.